Ken from You and Me and Our RV. I just want to introduce this next brief section of clips. This is Ken from You and Me and This is Ken from You and Me and Our RV. Check us out on youandmeandourrv.com. Please check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm just doing this quick check-in to introduce some of the next clips, which are just some intro clips, early playing around, me trying to learn the GoPro. And if I've had a lot of difficulty knowing when it's recording and when it's not recording, especially when wearing like the chest harness or recording on my bike with the bike mount. So I wore chest harness a couple times, and I have done some running that I thought I recorded and was in a location that I was never able to re-record. And the same has happened in my bike, as you'll see in the following clip. Not realize where you're at, so try to remember where you're camping, where you're at, as I had some difficulty with it.
I've ever heard of in my life.
Hey, don't talk over. It's true. Hey, when you're at Florida state parks, I'm sure a lot of parks are like that, there are loops that it's easy to forget where you're at when you're out on a trail or something, and occasionally you come out in some place where you don't think you are. Thank you. I don't remember this. Where is my camper? 31? How did I get turned around? 32. All right, those are some learning tips or learning curves in some early experiences with the GoPro. That's just me messing up. And then there was a time where I thought I recorded for about 30 minutes. I had to jump the camper. It wasn't going to start. And I went through the whole spiel, talked about it, went through it, jumped it, got it running. And once it was all done, I realized I wasn't recording. But what did happen is, and I didn't realize it till later, is the entire segment and the segments where I'm driving the RV to the oil shop where it got the oil changed was that my shirt was on backwards the entire time. I got it jump started. I'm thinking I didn't record my whole first 20 minutes, and it was pretty good, I thought. I had some problems with my camper. I had scheduled today to take care of everything, get the oil changed and the generator oil change serviced, the RV gone over for the weekend, and today is Wednesday. So that was a wardrobe malfunction. Anyway,
it's going to happen no matter what you do. There's going to be something like that. Like I just wiped this freaking shaving cream off your ear. It doesn't matter, babe. It happens. Okay,
so that's going to conclude this little brief bloopers reel of some early experiences with GoPro. Make sure you check us out, You and Me and Our RV.
Baby.
And subscribe to our YouTube, please. And we got many more exciting videos coming up. In a couple weeks, we're going to the summer RV show in Tampa.
Woohoo!
All right, see you there. Bye.
Check us out.